Hey, this is Garrett Stewart with Command Console, and I wanted to say thank you for considering my newsletter service through sending newsletters through Command. For this, I'm going to quickly go over what to expect with the service and what you get as a result. So, first things first, I want to show you our most recent newsletter for the October. Awesome part about this is not only do you get a fully built newsletter, you are able to customize the newsletter to what you want. For example, here I am in Reno, Nevada, making YouTube videos for events in the area. I made this fun little YouTube video where people can learn about all the events in the area for October, and I was able to add a personalized letter or a little note and a video for them, as well as in the news type articles and different things for them. So right in there, this is kind of what to expect with your newsletter each month. This is the only part I personally added. Everything else was already built in for you. So you have a good amount of content, and all you can do is need to personalize it just a little bit more for you. I also make sure to include all of your marketing profile information will automatically add to the top and bottom of this newsletter. From there, all you've got to do next, once you sign up, what to expect, you're going to get an email. And each month you're going to get an email. You'll receive this email right around the 25th of each month for that next month. So it gives you a couple of days to prepare. You'll get this, your October newsletter has arrived. You can download the template, gives you a little teaser and some other information about sending it and things, as well as tips, video catalog of customizing it. So what you'll do is each month you'll just get this download template button. It's the same website each month, and you do have to log in, as you have to be a paid subscriber to do that. So we'll just go ahead and log in real quick. And once you click that login button, it's going to pull you right into the download catalog area. So that's going to load in, and as soon as that, you'll see the newsletter, and there's the October newsletter to download. So I'm just going to click on that. What that's going to do is bring in that code. I will hit that pop-out button to make it full view, which will in turn allow me to download this code. Command does not have the capability to just bring in that how it is. You have to import the code. Nice thing is this is super easy for you. It's a quick step of just downloading this code. You don't have to know coding or anything like that. You just receive this code, it downloads in here, and all that happens next is you just add that into Command. You just import it in. So from there, we're going to, and I'm just realizing I'll log into my own Command login. So you'll log in through Command right there. And notice I still have that download right there. We logged in, and there we go. We'll go right into Designs. From Designs, this is where we're going to import this HTML. Now, to import this HTML, you might think of import design. We actually go to create design first. And we're going to do an email, of course. Do continue. And this is where the import HTML button shows up. Kind of a little hidden feature. It's a pretty awesome way to import things from other carrier. Then we have this import file button. You just go right there, and you can either click right here to search for it or just drag and drop right there. We'll go ahead and hit import, and that will import everything on here. Notice that this will automatically fill in for you. You can just hit the little eyeball button to preview it, how it is, and you've got your newsletter right there. So you can leave it as is and send it in, but I highly recommend you have all these marketing capabilities to personalize it to you and your client. So you could do, I always recommend adding a personalized message. Maybe you want to feature a listing in there or an upcoming event, maybe a video like I did, anything like that. Personalize it to you. I like to put that at the top because that's what people are going to care about probably the most, but you got some good meat and potatoes otherwise throughout this newsletter. So from there, we would just title it. We'll just say October newsletter 1. Okay. We'll go ahead and hit save and exit. And all we've got to do is send it out at that point once we were to personalize it. Again, I have a fully guided video of how to customize for each of those little widgets on there. Now, A new feature in Command now allows us to send through campaigns for tracking purposes. This is my main suggestion for sending through campaigns. So from there, we'll go ahead and go to campaigns. We'll hit create campaign and we'll go through email. Email from here, we would just type in our October newsletter campaign. You can call it whatever you want, though. It's just for your reference. And we'll just say brand awareness. And from there, we use command email. And we'll hit create campaign. And there we go. Now, all we got to do is choose who we're sending this to. We can create a list right there, or we can do it in the campaign's email portion on the previous page and go from there. So that method's a little bit easier, but you can create a list right here. Regardless, I have one. We'll just do test emails right there. I have a test one for demo purposes. You would just choose your list. So for example, I have one for past clients. I have one for all of my newsletters that I just send out to. So from there, we can send from who we're sending it from. We can edit that. And then obviously put in your subject, select design. And there's our October newsletter one that we just created. And we're able to import that in right there, make any last minute revisions, and save and exit. Just from there, it's done. You're ready to go. You can schedule this. You can send it immediately. So if you wanted to set this up to go out on the 1st and it's before the 1st, you could do that. Or you could send it immediately. Once you do that, it sends out pretty quickly if you do hit send immediately. Then you are able to track your results right in here. So you're going to be able to see who clicked on it, all the different tasks and things to be able to track who's opening it, clicking it, all this fun stuff, and who hasn't opened it right in here. So super cool way to utilize these newsletters and stay in touch with our database. Now to sign up, all you got to do is go to commandconsole.com/newsletters, or just go to commandconsole.com and use that drop-down tab to find our newsletter tab right there. You can just hit sign up, and right from there, you can sign up and be part of this awesome service. Hope to have you join us. If you have any questions, there is a questions button right here. Thanks so much, and have an awesome day.